Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Warning, warning, warning.
Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we're going to be cooking a delicious breakfast burrito. It's really easy to make and super tasty, so you can show off your cooking skills to friends and family with this easy recipe. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get cooking. Ooh. The 6th of January is National Bean Day. The oldest findings of beans were found in Thailand. They date back to 9,000 years ago. In Nicaragua, newlyweds are given a bowl of beans as a sign of good luck. Miss G would love that. I love beans. In ancient Greece, minor public figures were elected by the bean machine.
What?
One single white bean was mixed in with lots of black beans. The person who picked the single white bean out from the mixture of beans got the job. Okay. In the 1980s, an archaeologist in New Mexico discovered a clay pot that was sealed in pine tar that included black bean seeds that dated back to 1,500 years ago. And guess what? They grew. Beans can be made into all sorts of things, like burgers, cakes, drinks, pies, muffins,
jewelry, furniture, toys, even musical instruments.
Yes, you heard me correctly. Beans can be made into all of those things. Yeah. Ever heard of a beanbag chair? Yeah. Beans. You heard it here first. Avocados are a berry fruit. It's true. They're a single-seeded berry.
Miss G say what?
Avocados are in the same family as cinnamon. Avocados have more fat than most fruits. However, it's a healthy fat. Avocados are filled with potassium, vitamin B, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Avocados are great for our immune system. They contain an antioxidant that helps our immune system function normally.
Thank you!
The famous Mexican dish, guacamole, is made with avocados. Mmm, yummy. animals. What? It's true. The leaves, seeds, fruit and bark contain persin. This can cause vomiting and diarrhea for dogs and even more serious cases for other animals. Birds, horses and rodents are extremely sensitive to avocados. In the summer of 2017, 3 million photos of avocado on toast were uploaded to Instagram every day. What? Do people not have better things to take photos of? Huh?
Unlike the rich Romans, the poor, common peasants were more dependent on vegetables than any other food source. Their staple foods were legumes and beans.
Sounds interesting.
Ancient Romans lived in Rome, that's in Italy, where they called home. Victorious for 1,000 years, but then Odysseus interfered. Rome was ruled by emperors, Caesar being the most famous leader. They made decisions by Rome while living in a lavish home. Oh, Romans living long ago. Oh, living differently than we know. Oh, Romans living long ago. Oh, living differently than we know. Ancient Romans believed in gods like Venus, Pluto, and the rest of their squad. They worshipped them daily and believed in them greatly. Oh, Romans living long ago. Oh, living differently than we know. Oh, Romans living long ago. Oh, living differently than we know. Romans living long ago.
That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G. I really hope you enjoyed cooking today and learning new and interesting facts about the ingredients. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any episodes. Remember, I upload weekly, so you can cook along with me anytime you like. So, subscribe for more of this.
Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.